Hello everyone, I am Somesh and you are tuned into 551 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with some exciting news from the Financial Express. More and more NRIs are turning into Indian term insurance not just for the lower premiums. It is a sign of trust, connection and smart financial planning. Despite living abroad, many NRIs are choosing to secure their families back home with policies that offer global coverage, rupees settled payout, and streamlined digital onboarding. The GST waiver on NRI term plans is another welcome step, making protection more accessible and affordable. The good news, the shift reflects a growing awareness that financial security knows no borders. And as Indian insurers continue to innovate, the movement is finding new ways to stay rooted emotionally and financially. Up next, we spotlight a recent report from The Hindu. The state has announced the rupee 1.5 crore insurance cover for police officers who lost their lives in line of duty. It is a deeply meaningful step, one that honors courage with compassion. For families of officers, this is not just a financial support, it is a recognition of sacrifice, a promise that their loved ones' bravery will never be forgotten. As more states consider similar policies, we are seeing a shift towards valuing frontline workers not just in words but in action. Insurance in this case becomes a symbol of dignity and respect. Our next update from CNBC TV 18 highlights that India's fertility insurance landscape is still in its early stages, but it is definitely evolving. For couples navigating the emotional and financial journey of IVF, insurance coverage can be life-changing, while individual plans remains rare. Corporate health benefits are starting to include fertility treatments, offering multiple cycles and shorter waiting periods. The good news, this signals a broader shift in how we view reproductive health not as a luxury, but as a fundamental part of well-being. As awareness grows, so does the promise of more inclusive, empathetic coverage. Our final story from the Times of India highlights that Niva Bhupad's Reassure 3.0 is introducing health insurance without sum insured limitations, with no caps, no top-ups, just continuous coverage that adapts your needs. Whether you are in a general ward or deluxe suite, the focus is on care, not cost. This marks major leap towards truly patient-first insurance. It is not just about reacting to illness, it is about removing financial barriers so people can seek care confidently and early. As more insurers follow suit, we are moving closer to future where healthcare defined by compassion, not constraint. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.